Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to connect AirPods Pro 2nd generation to a Google Pixel 8a. Let's get started, but firstly, don't forget to follow to see more useful videos. So, as a first step, swipe down to open the control panel and hold your finger on this Bluetooth button. After this, click on this button, Pair a new device. Nice. Now take your AirPods and open the case. Now you would need to hold this button on the back of case until this indicator in the front turns white. Let's do it. Now we would need to find our device on the list of available devices. And here it is. Just simply click on it and click Pair. And that's it. You have connected your headphones to a Google Pixel 8a. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. And thank you so much for watching.